I will just dictate. So listen properly. Okay, what does it say? What does it say? Here, listen properly. If a ray, if a ray stands on a line, okay, one line I will do. Okay, one. This is a line. Okay, or else we will do this. This is better. If a ray, this is a ray. This is a ray. If a ray stands on a line, correct? This is ray. This is the line. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles. So this and this are adjacent. Yes or no? The sum of two adjacent angles A and B I will take. The sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, it seems. Understood or no? This is the most easiest explanation I can give. If a ray stands on a line they are saying ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Getting or no? He is mentioning clearly that's a line. So a line will be how much? It will be always 180 degree. So if I split 100 rays, if I take also, if you add all the 100 rays, you will get how much? Equal to 180 only will get. Getting or no? Similarly, if a ray stands on a line, it's two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles are forming. This is one angle, this is one angle. If I add both angles, how much I will get? Equal to 180 degree. That is the axiom 3.1. Any doubts? So what is axiom 3.2 telling us? Open axiom 3.2. Open axiom 3.2. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, say here. If the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, what is the adjacent angle? Adjacent angle means what? Neighboring angles. ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಅದ ಹೇಳತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. Adjacent means neighbor. This neighbor is this or no? Neighboring side. Baju. Okay. What is saying? If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms. Which are the non-common arms here? This is common arm. Yes or no? Angle A is also having this, angle B is also having this. Common arm. Non-common arm is this and this. Is this common arm? Is angle A sharing this wall? It share madatidena? It share madatididukka? So these are non-common arms. The non-common arms add up and become how much? A line. They become a line. Read. Once again I will read. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms, these are the non-common arms, this and this, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. They are forming a line or no? Line. These are the non-common arms. This is the common arm. This is the common arm. Idi add kude common aiti. This is non-common arm. This is non-common arm. Getting or no? If I take both the non-common arms, I will get a line. Simple. ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ?